Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by enabling Assistive Touch so a virtual home button appears. Open Settings, then Accessibility, then Touch. Tap Assistive Touch and switch it on. Once done, a translucent floating button appears on screen. Drag it to a comfortable edge. Make sure to tap Customize Top-Level Menu to replace or remove icons so Home is prominent. This reduces taps later and keeps the interface tidy. When you're ready, we'll assign the Home action explicitly so single press behaves like the physical button. Now you'll set the floating button to act like Home. In the Assistive Touch menu, tap Customize Top-Level Menu, then choose an existing icon or the Add Plus to create one. Select Home from the list of system actions. Choose Single Tap for immediate return to the home screen or Double Tap for multitasking if you prefer. Once assigned, exit Settings and test the button with a single tap. If it doesn't respond, make sure Assistive Touch remains enabled and try repositioning the button. Finish by confirming the virtual home works consistently. Open a few apps and tap the floating button to return to the home screen. This verifies single tap assignment. If the button feels laggy or doesn't register taps, reposition it away from screen edges and try again. If problems persist, toggle Assistive Touch off and on, then restart your iPhone 7 to clear transient issues. As one key troubleshooting tip, update iOS if available. Software fixes often resolve stubborn Assistive Touch behavior and improve responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.